Alright guys, so I got a 2005 Nissan Pathfinder, and what I got going, it's a SE rear wheel drive. I got my oil position sensor. Yeah, it's going, it's all the way up. Car's not on. Now the car's on. So to fix that, I got a new sensor. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it right now. So we'll get under here. I already got the car lifted on some ramps, so I have a little more clearance. Let's see. So that's the front bumper. There's a sway bar. Front frame, rack and pinion, and then so alternator, right under the alternator should be this. Man, it's so nasty under here. What the fuck? Alright, let's, what can I see? I'm not sure if there's a, looks like there's a button. There's a button right there. Just go up. Oh, got it out. Alright, let's see. Looks like a 3-pin. Okay, so before we take it out, let's look at what we have to see if it's a 3-pin or a 4-pin or something else. It is a 3-pin. It is a 3-pin. Nice. So it looks like we got the right one. So we put this back in the box. Put that back in the box. Put it to the side. Okay, so we have the plug disconnected. Right now, we need to undo this. But I think some oil is gonna come out. So we might have to go get a bottle. It's supposed to be a big, let's try a 21. Not a 21. Oh Lord, I hope it's a 24. Nice, it's a 24. Okay. So let's get this on here. Give it a little tug. Alright, it's on there. Probably about as strong as your oil plug. Okay. Alright, so I got my oil pan. We're gonna put it underneath here. Move this stuff over. Oh, let's see. Alright. That should land in there. And then we'll take this out. Get to see the color of the oil too. I just got this car. It's got 203,000 miles. But one little thing at a time. Alright, let me take that off. And go by hand. Oh, go. How's that oil look? Oh yeah, it needs an oil change. It's not horrible. It's not horrible, but it needs to be changed. And then here we go. So I'll try to get this done fast so we don't lose all that oil. Alright, let me see. So let's try. Having a hard time seeing it. I gotta find the hole. Where's it at? Here it is. Whoa, don't get on my phone. Alright. Now, I don't know what I'm supposed to torque it out down to. So, I'm gonna go look at Google real quick. Alright, so just so y'all can see what I'm doing, I first start off by saying what the car is. 2005 Nissan Pathfinder SE rear wheel drive, and then it tells you the bio of like what the car is, and then I'm typing in torque specs for oil pressure sensor. We hit enter, searching all of everything. It says to put it between 11 and 15 foot-pounds. That's pretty low. Anyways, you saw it, so between 10 and 15, I went ahead and put it to 15. We're on 5 and right at the 10. So let's get underneath here. We'll get this oil jug out the way. Don't spill. Nice. Oh. Let's get, oh my God, my camera angle sucks. You guys just gonna have to bear with me because I don't know how to do this. Alright, I got it. Put it like that. We hit the button first. Haha. Alright, make sure it's on tightening. It is on tightening. So now we come back in here. All right. Oh, it's got a lot of ways to go. There we go. Get up on there. And now we tighten it. Why do you feel so stiff? I don't know if it should. It kind of was feeling that tight, but I don't know if it's cross-threaded. I mean, it's not getting harder, so I think it's just a tight fit. Oh, what's happening? Oh, wait. I think I just heard it crack. Yep, we getting there. Yep. That's 15. That's 15. I think we're there. But it doesn't look all the way tight. Right? I don't know. And it wouldn't be leaking because it already leaked out. I guess we would know by turning it on. Let's get this connected in here. All right. Let's see. It was a little stiff going in. Oh, look. It didn't shoot up. Nice. The oil pressure is reading. All right, let's go under and see if it's leaking. Doesn't look like it's leaking. And our oil pressure sensor is moving with the engine on. I don't know if it should move when I don't know. But when we turn it off, it goes away. So it looks like it's working. See, it moved a little bit because it's got power, but it's not like... And then now the oil pressure. Yes. I'll call it a success. So we ended up doing the oil pressure sensor for 2005 Nissan Pathfinder SE. I don't know all the models that it's supposed to be. We'll find that out later. But yeah, we didn't. That didn't take very long at all. Although, you are gonna need your torque wrench. And what I ended up using a 24 millimeter on the, again, I don't know the sizes, but the big one. You know how they got like large, medium, and small? The bigger one. This is my fat set, the heavy duty. All right. I call it complete. Sounds good to me. Thanks for watching.